Hi, I'm Jim with DirectMed Imaging, MR Tech Support. I'm going to talk to you today about saving some helium. If you've lost your cold head and you know that it's going to be off for more than a day, then you need to open your cold head bypass valve. I'll show you where that's at. That'll cut your loss down to like half per day. Okay. And you're going to want to open your cold head bypass valve. Valve is now open and you're reducing your helium boil off. When your cold head's back on, close the valve.
For more tips like this, visit our website directmedimaging.com and click on the Resource tab.